AI is writing code and replacing developers. And people are scared and wondering, will we even need programmers in 5 years? But here is the thing, there is one skill that AI cannot replace. And in fact, AI is actually making it more valuable than ever. If you learn this skill now, your career will be bulletproof. In this video, I'll show you what is this skill and why AI cannot replace it. Without further ado, let's get started. Developers are worried because AI writes code 10x faster than them. And let's face it, companies love cheap labor. Many are asking, where does this leave us? But here is the paradox. The faster AI writes code, the faster more insecure code deployed into production applications and smart contracts. And when it comes to solidity and specifically security, AI fails big time. I want to show you this code by Philology, and he wrote, I quote, "Can confirm Claude is still pretty useless at solidity and smart contracts engineering in general. If you are getting good results, please share your Claude MD. I'm curious what prompt engineering secrets I'm missing." And he explains, this is pretty recent tweet from September 2025. Too many things it seems to be struggling with. 1, correct and idiomatic use of Solidity language, and 2, defensive programming and security-oriented engineering. And I cannot agree more because I used AI so many times, especially Claude 4 and 4.5, to write Solidity smart contracts, to review them. Now, when it comes to syntax, AI is great. It's great for auto-completion, for writing fast POCs or creating stuff from scratch. But when it comes to more advanced systems, let it be smart contracts or other applications, this is where AI gets stuck, or even worse, write broken code. Now, a lot of people are trying to use AI also to find vulnerabilities, to report them in auditing competitions and bug bounties, and usually they fail. Why? Because AI cannot think for you yet. Maybe in far-fetched future it can. It's simply a model that auto-completes text. It read a lot, it was trained, and it's just really good to analyze data and give you output. But when it comes to creative thinking, big context, and attacker mindset, this is where AI fails, and it won't give you on a platter the vulnerability that you can submit to Immunify and get $20,000 reward. And if you scroll down, you can see some more funny comments. Thank God it's bad. You know, some people, they're quite happy that AI is not there yet, and it's going to take some time until it gets there. And the reason is pretty simple. When it comes to logical, advanced economical bugs, state changes, cross-contract re-entry attack, flash loan attacks, and so on, this requires attacker mindset thinking and creativity, not just autocomplete models that just complete the text. AI cannot anticipate this type of creative exploitation. And if you think differently, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below, but please back up your ideas with facts and tangible examples. And I want to take it even a step further. Think about it. There are so many people now that are just vibe coding applications, web applications, backend services, smart contracts. Now imagine how many security vulnerabilities are introduced to smart contracts and applications. So actually, AI is pushing the demand and the need for this skill forward because companies and protocols will need more smart security engineers, creative engineers with attacker mindset to help them secure the contracts and their protocols. Lily here brings an interesting point. So many of the online code snippets of Solidity are examples of hacks and incorrect code. I seriously wonder if that contributes to its uselessness. So imagine Claude and GPT and all these models were trained by literally scanning the internet. Now, what happens when there is so many examples of vulnerable, exploitable code out there? This is what it learns. It learns to write exploitable, vulnerable code. If you're a developer that is worried about AI pivot to smart contract and blockchain security. If you're already in the security space, double down, learn more, get better, because this skill is gonna last way longer than all the other skills, and it's more bulletproof against AI. And there are so many opportunities in this career out there. You can just go to DeFi Llama Hacks dashboard and see how much money is being lost and stolen due to smart contracts hack. $1.7 million just 4 days ago with the Abracadabra Spell protocol, a lending protocol. There was a protocol logic exploitation that led to $1.7 million hack. These protocols need you, the security researcher, to find those bugs, report them securely, and get rewarded for your contribution. You can do that by participating in auditing competitions, open competitions in Code Arena, or maybe reporting bugs on live protocols on Immunify and earn up to $15 million, of course, if you find bug in one of the biggest protocols like Layer 0, or 10 million on Sky. Or scroll down, look how many opportunities you have out there just helping the ecosystem, securing the ecosystem, and responsibly reporting to protocols about bugs. I've built the best resource and training program for people who want to break into Web3 and smart contract security, with so many labs and hacking exercises and guest lectures. All the attacks types are being covered, with also a community and certification in the end. So check out the link in the description below to get your free trial. Now, to summarize, I just want to say it, don't let AI fear hold you back. Double down on skills that AI cannot touch. Logical reasoning, security thinking, and creative attacker mindset. Think about it like investing in yourself for the long term. These skills are not being hurt by AI. AI is just fueling them. Every revolution scares people. The industrial revolution, the internet, and now it's the AI. But the truth is that jobs do not disappear, they just evolve, and you have to evolve with the revolution. If you have any questions or you want to share your thought about a subject, feel free to share them in a comment section below. Make sure to subscribe and click this like button for more awesome content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.